Next thing we want to do is add our facilities page. So I'm going to go up and add a new page. And then we're going to go into, so I'm going to type in facilities. And then I'm going to go into my HTML kit. And I'm going to copy everything from Ahref down. I want to do some cleaning up. Down to this one right here, right above the closed body tag. And I'll do Control Copy. We'll go back to our page. And I will paste it in. Okay, so a couple of things we have to do. I'm going to move this down. And we'll play with that in a second. Looks like we got all sorts of extra spaces here that we need to get rid of. And I'm not sure I want to waste time doing that. I think you can figure that out on your own. So I'm going to leave this once I get this done. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead. Oops. And here I'm going to go ahead and insert an image. Well, that's not good. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go now into my visual. I'm not. Let's go back into text. I don't like that either. And I'm going to add media. Okay, I'm going to my media library. And thinking. Okay, we have all these different kinds here. It would be nice if these were marked. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. Okay, and that is going to be our small picture. So I'm going to insert that in the page. Alrighty, and it is selected, and there it is. Okay, so this is it. This is the picture right here. And what I'm going to try to do is encapsulate that in a tag. So I'm going to copy this. This is where we had, well, go ahead and make a space. And I'm going to select this and do copy. And paste this in right here. Okay. Okay, so obviously I didn't copy that. So I'm going to do Control C. And then come over here and paste it in. And then this is the end of it right here. I'm going to go ahead and put my close a tag right there. Put that at the end of it. All right, let's see what we've done. And my hope is that will hyperlink the picture. So let's go ahead and view the picture and see what we've done. Okay, well that looks good so far. And when I click on it, it's going to open up the picture. So what happens is if you look on the very bottom of the screen there, it shows that this is going to open up the picture that's associated with it. So we need to go ahead and fix that. So I'm going to go back to Edit Page. And see where it's getting that. All right, so we don't need this right here. If you notice, we already have an A tag in it. And this is where it's going to give us a small page. So what I want to do is I want to copy north, because that is our, gosh, come on, make a space there. Windows. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and select north, because this is my bookmark. And then I'm going to replace this tag right here. So this href, I don't need the HTTP blah, 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 all the way down to indoor small JPEG. Oops. And I'm going to Control V and paste it in. So now the ahref is going to be to north, and this is the picture, blah, blah, blah. So what we don't need anymore is this, but be careful you don't lose that bracket in the beginning. So I'm going to go ahead and delete. Oh, crap. Okay. All right, so that's north. I'll come over here and backspace. Get rid of that tag. I don't need it. And then get rid of this tag down here. I don't need it. And let's go ahead and see what we have done. All right, so let's view the page. And now when I click on it, it goes down to the bottom of the page. Exactly what we wanted it to do. Excellent. All right, so we've got that in there, and now we just want to go ahead and add some more pages to it. So let's go ahead and go back and edit it. All right, so we got that one done. And let's go ahead and insert another picture. And this is going to be the small south, or yeah. So this is the south small picture. So we're going to go ahead and insert that picture into the page. Excellent. So this is it right here. Where is it? It's right here. All right, so this is the first picture. This is the second picture. And what we want to use is, actually we don't need this at all. Okay, that. Oh, we made a mistake. Okay. Sorry. In fact, we're just going to go ahead and type the hashtags in. This is not the north. This is the indoor. So I'm going to use hashtag indoor. All right, and then this is, get rid of the link to the picture, and this is hashtag south. So hash south. Excellent. All right, so now I actually don't need any of this because I know the next one is going to be hashtag north. So we'll delete this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and insert one more page, one more picture. So we'll go ahead and add media. And this is going to be the small north court. We'll insert it in the page. Bam. All right, this is the link that they put in there. We don't want that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take it and put hashtag we're going to take it and do hashtag north. Okay, so now we have the north, the south, and the indoor. Let's go ahead and update it and see what we've done. All right, and let's go ahead and view the page. All right, so that's great. We have these, but we want to go actually have them go across the page rather than down. And for that, we are going to have to, oops, don't look at there. going to have to open. There we go. Excuse me. All right, so we're going to have to actually put that in the table. So let's go back into our edit. And we're going to make sure we're in there in our text, which we are. So what we're going to do is I'm going to, whoops, hello. All right, strong. This thing jumps around on you sometimes. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press enter. I'm going to put in a table tag because we want to go ahead and put this in a table. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a row. And then I'm going to put a TDSL. All right, so this right here is going to be in the first one. So I'm going to go ahead and close this here. So there's the first cell of that row. And then this is going to be the second cell of the row. So this is going to be TD also. And then the end of it is going to be a closed TD. There we go. And then this is going to be my last cell. So this is also going to be a TD. And this is going to be a closed TD. All right, and then all I have to do is close the row and then close the table. Okay, let's go ahead and update that and see how it looks. I'm on 12 minutes. Okay, we're going to have to continue this on. Once it finishes updating, we'll go ahead and view and see how we did, and then we'll finish up the page. So I'm going to view the page, and hopefully it'll look. Yes, look at that. It looks good. Go figure. All right, so now if I click on the North Court, it goes down to North Court, but I have to add the pictures into this, and I will do that in the next one because we're running out of time.